Hey friends, today I'm doing something really special. I'm taking a moment to look back at everything we created, explored, built, and shared together inside Collage Lab in 2025. And when I say everything, I mean workshops, challenges, courses, live events, creative experiments, community magic, brave ideas, messy play, beautiful art, and a whole lot of glue, paper, courage, and curiosity. This year wasn't just about making collages, it was about building momentum, deepening creative practice, growing confidence, and expanding what's possible when a community of makers comes together with intention and imagination. So, this is my love letter to 2025 at Collage Lab, a year of bold ideas, playful experiments, powerful connection, and creative growth. We started the year with a vision board and goal setting workshop called Collage Your Life. Then I offered a crash course in daily art challenges to prepare everyone for Februllage. In March, I experimented with all sorts of techniques and materials for mixed media March minis. I held another international call for collage art in honor of World Collage Day in May and published a selection of collages in the book called Where We Belong. In November, I hosted the 6th annual Treasure Trovember, our month-long mixed media collage challenge. I did YouTube Live with my favorite and least favorite art supplies. Also did videos creating grunge papers, chaos papers, 10 studio must-haves that aren't from the art supply store. And I did a SMACKDOwn between POSCA paint pens and SHARPIE creative markers, and a From Boring to Bold Markmaking Monday. I try to host a live play date each month. I think we did 8 or 9 in 2025. Quirky Hearts, Grid Journal Jam, Love is Love, Off the Grid, Hugh La La, Quick Image Transfer Collage Magic, a pre-Trovember Challenge warm-up, and a Boxing Day special. I also created some new courses: the Landscapes of Letting Go, Wayfinding, Mapping the Moment, Building an Engaged Audience of Buyers, Students, and Collectors. I created a new self-study PDF called Color Wins, quick color-based collage warm-ups, and I hosted my first freebie bundle with 18 fabulous creators under the curated brand. I also re-recorded my very first free class, G is for Grids, Grid Variations in Collage, which now includes a 30-minute video and a 29-page workbook, and it's still free. I created 2 free guides for collage makers: Cut It Out, my favorite cutting tools, and Stick It Down, my favorite adhesives for collage. Started doing a monthly live office hours that anyone can join with any collage questions. Hosted another collage coaching week, a free 6 collages in 60 minutes workshop, and a free open house giving a peek inside the Collage Lab membership. We also moved the membership and courses to a brand new, beautiful, user-friendly platform. I've established an ambassadors program to greet our new members like the old welcome wagon. Also implemented Lab Loot as a bonus or reward system. I continued providing one-on-one collage coaching sessions, and I created a new year-long mixed media adventure called Amuse Bouche for 2026. We did get together on Zoom this year to share our finished Trovember collages, and I've started a new monthly roundup of collage and related activities called What's Gluing On. I also put together a live roundtable discussion with 5 other creators about planning for a creative new year. And that doesn't even include all of the fantastic things that have happened inside the Collage Lab membership. That's going to have to be a separate video featuring artwork created by my members throughout 2025. So anyhow, I want to thank you for following along, supporting this journey, and making 2025 one for the record books. Big things are coming in 2026, so like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you so much.